Now the next part we have to see, that is an arc of a circle. Okay, so see here having one bangle. Okay, it is a round shape, circular shape. Here is having one bangle, and if we break it, so what will happen? See, and if we break it, so what will happen? Here we get the two parts. Okay, this here we get the two part. It will split into two parts. Okay, see here in the picture also showing the two parts, and what will happen, the each part is called as an arc of a circle. So this each part is called the arc of a circle. Understood everyone what is meant by arc? See, if we join it we get the circle. Okay, so that is called the arc of an arc of a circle. Understood everyone what is meant by arc? So this edge is called the arc. Now here having the 2 points AB. So what is the arc? AB. Here also AB, here also arc AB. But here again one circle is there. Okay, see here. But here having the name P, S, Q and R. Okay. Now if we cut it, if we break down, so without breaking also we have to say the arc. So how to say? See, this is one arc. P, S, Q is one arc, and another arc P, R, Q. The starting point and ending point, and here in middle having the point, then we have to take that name. So arc P, R, Q is one arc, and the arc P, S, Q is the another arc. Understood everyone what is meant by arc of the circle? Okay, based on that, now problem set 31 is there. So let's see the problem set 31. Now let's see the problem set 31. See the first question. In the figure given along a side, points S, L, M, N. Okay, points S, L, M, N are on the circle. Okay, these points are on the circle. Answer the questions with the help of the diagram. Answer the questions with the help of the diagram. Now what is the first question? Write the names of the arcs with end point S and M. Which ends point we have to want? Point S and M. Point S and M. Write the names of the arcs with end points S and M. So this is the circle. So in CW you have to write this question. Draw the circle and first write the first question. Okay, first write the first question with end, at the end point which point we want? S and M. So with end point S and M, so which arc we will get? C. This is the one arc. So this is the one arc. So how to write their name? Arc S, L, M. Arc S, L, M. And what is the remaining arc? Arc S, N, M. Arc S, N, M. Understood everyone? So now let's see how to write the answer. So what is the answer for that? The end point S and M we want. So the arc S, L, M and arc S, N, M. Understood the answer? Arc S, L, M and arc S, N, M. Okay. Now let's see the next question. See the second question. Write the names of arcs with the end point L and N. So now which end point we want? Point L and N. Point L and N. So this end point we want. Write the names of the arc with end points L and N. So C, start with L. So one arc which will come, arc S, L, S, N. Arc L, S, N. Arc L, S, N. And the another arc is what? Arc L, M, N. Arc L, M, N. Understood everyone? The end point which we want, L and N. So the arc L, S, N and the arc L, M, N. Understood everyone? So the which arc will come? Arc L, S, N and arc L, M, N. Okay. the answer is arc LSN and the R LMN. Okay, now let's see the next question. Now see the second question. Write the names of the arcs that points A, B, C, D in the given circle Q raised to. So here one circle is there and these are the points on the circle. And what we have to write? Write the names of the arc. Now we have to write the name of the arc. So you can start with A. So any arc you with your own choice, any name of the arc you can write. So see, first arc I am going to select arc ABC, arc ABC, then arc ADC, opposite to ABC which we get arc ADC. Again see, here we get arc BCD, see arc BCD. So this is one arc. Opposite to BCD which we get arc DAB, arc DAB. This also we get. Now another arc C, arc again which we get. Again if we go with this path, arc CDA means like previous only ADC and ABC. So here we get the 4 arcs. So that name we have to write. So what is the answer? See, the arc ABC, arc ADC, arc BCD, arc DAB. So these 4 arcs are the we get in that circle. So see, so this question you have to write and then draw the circle, and these answers you have to write in your CW. Arc ABC, arc ADC, arc BCD, arc DAB. Understood? Now let's see the next question. Now see the third question. Give the names of the arc that are made by points P, Q, R, S and T in the figure. So here one circle they given, on the circle these points are there, P, Q, R, S and T, and by using this point we have to write the name of the arc. So see here different arcs we have to get. So that is one arc. PQR is one arc. Okay, PQR. Opposite to PQR what we get here? PTS. PTS. PQR and PTS. Then next one, see again. If we start with Q, QRS. QRS. And opposite to that, QPTS. If here 3 letter and here 4 letter, if you are confused then you can take 3 letter name only. See, QRS one arc and QTS this also. Now again see RST. Okay, RST is one arc and another arc is TPR. So in this way we can write any letter. We can start with any letter and you can take any 3 letters and you get the arc of a circle. You get the arc of a circle. So how to write? Understood the arc of the circle? Okay, first now in your CW how to write? First you have to write the question and then write the answer. You have to draw this circle also in your CW and then you have to write the answer. Now let's see how to write the third answer. So here we get the different arcs. So that is PRS, PTS, then arc QRS and arc QTS. Okay, so in your CW write the question, draw this circle and then you have to write this answer. Okay, arc PRS, arc PTS, arc QRS and arc QTS. Understood everyone? Okay, now let's see the next question. See what it is. Measure and note down the circumference of different circular objects. It is convenient to use a measuring tape for this purpose. Now at previous I show no that bowl you have to take one thread and you have to find out the circumference. So same thing you have to do with your different circular objects at your home with your own. You have to take any circular object. Bowl you can take, then glass, dish or again different circular objects you have to take, and you have to measure their circumference. Thread you have to take and take their edges, cover their edges, and then measure with the help of tape. Measuring tape you can use for your convenience. You can use a measuring tape to measure their circumference of a circular objects. Understood everyone? So this is all about the today's part. So here we conclude the problem set 31. So today we have studied the problem set 30 and 31. So everyone complete this both problem set 30 and 31 in your CW properly, systematically, and complete the lesson. Okay. So here we complete this lesson number 7, circle. Here we complete the lesson number 7, circle. In that we have studied how to draw the circle with compass and their part, that is radius, diameter, chord, and the next one is circumference, and the next one is arc of a circle. I think everyone have understood this lesson. So complete the lesson number 7. Whatever may be the remaining incompletes are there, you complete it now only. Okay. So here we complete the lesson and complete this problem set 31 in your CW. This is the today's homework. Okay. Thank you.